Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Sele Khalil, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and make sure you subscribe to this channel to see more videos. In this channel, we do DIY skincare products, full recipe products, and product reviews. Everything skincare. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own whipped scrub base. This video has been requested by a lot of you, and I decided to show you how to make your own whipped scrub base. Now you can use this base for any kind of scrub at all. Your whitening scrub, lightening scrub, whatever scrub you want to make, you can use this base. Now if you want to see how this whipped scrub base was made, you definitely want to keep on watching. And by the way, my hair is available for order. If you want to order these kinds of braids or any other kind of braid, please send a message through the WhatsApp link down in my description, or call my number in the description and order yours. We ship nationwide and also ship internationally, everywhere in the world. Just give us a call and we will hook you up. Okay guys, so there are different ways that I make my scrub base, especially these kinds of scrubs like whipped scrub base. So here I'm using my papaya soap. This is what I'm going to use as my base, or this is what I'm going to whip up to create that fluffy, airy look. You want to continue to whip this soap until you have everything completely dissolved or whipped up, and it has that air bubble effect. If you can get your hands on a whipped soap base, that would be beautiful. I couldn't find whipped soap base, so I'm using a regular papaya soap chopped into bits, and I'm whipping them up with my hand mixer. So if you want to get a more fluffier result, you can look for whipped soap base and use that for your base. So this is what we're looking like right now. The soap is whipping up, but it's taking so long because it's not that kind of soap, it's a regular soap. Now that our soap is whipped up, I'm going to be using this gold whitening scrub base. It has different types. It has the apricot, it has the strawberry, it has cucumber, it has milk and honey. It has so many other different, should I call it fragrance or flavors, or I don't know. But you can use any of them. Here I'm just using the regular whitening one because I'm trying to make a whitening scrub. So this scrub is very good. It exfoliates, it moisturizes your skin, and it's also anti-aging. So here I'm just whipping that up, mixing that with my soap base that I already whipped earlier, and it's beautiful. It gives a creamy effect. Now you can stop here and save your whipped soap base for later to use, but I didn't stop here. I went ahead to add my yogurt spa milk salt, goat milk salt. It's the Yoko product. It's a Thailand product. It's very good. They have different ones as well, and I'm just going to add that to add texture to my base. And here, this is what it looks like after adding the Yoko salt scrub. on. So I just kept whipping and whipping, and then I added my whitening agents. You can use whatever whitening agent you want to use, but here I decided to use Snow White and Filipino set because I'm making a super whitening scrub. You can add any kind of actives that you want, but you want to make sure you have a hand mixer so you can properly incorporate every ingredient that you're using. So here I'm just going ahead to whip everything together. As you can see, everything is incorporating beautifully, and you can as well stop here and save your soap, your scrub base. It looks very, very beautiful. But no, it is me. I didn't stop there. I went ahead to add stearic acid and e-wax with some of my moisturizing liquid oils, just to add some more moisturizing properties to it and make it more movable, something not so thick. And then after this process, after everything, I went ahead to add coloring because I have a particular color for my scrub, especially for my whitening scrub. So this is the color I went for. You could as well skip the coloring if you don't want it, but I went ahead to color and kept mixing until I got the consistency that I wanted. Yeah, it is quite liquidy because this is the kind of texture that I want, but you can keep whipping up until you get a very thick consistency, or if your base is too liquidy, you can go ahead to add one more Yoko salt base, but this is perfectly what I wanted because it will cake up in a bit. Remember, we have soap base in this scrub. So yeah, I just kept mixing and mixing and mixing until I got the fluffiness that I wanted. If you want any of the ingredients that I used, kindly send me a WhatsApp message using the phone number in the description bar. And then after this process, guys, you can go ahead to package your scrub base. I won't call this a scrub base anymore because I have made it into a whitening scrub. So you can go ahead to package this, see how beautiful it looks. Go ahead to package it, and yeah, here you have it, your own whipped scrub base, promixed style. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time there's a new upload coming from me. Thank you so much once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own whipped soap scrub base. Did I do it again? Are my edges giving me out? I think so. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time there's a new upload coming from me. Thank you so much once again for stopping by, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Auntie, bye. Bye. What do I do again? Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for... Really?